What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I basically specialise in saving you lots of money, and today's video, you can already tell by the title and the thumbnail, is basically Grubhub promo codes for 2024. And I have found a website that's going to give you the best Grubhub promo codes, and you're going to be able to get a $100 account credit code that, when redeemed, is basically self-explanatory. It's going to add your $100 to your Grubhub account. Alternatively, there's also a promo code for free food. So I'm going to record my mobile phone and put the recording here, so just make sure you follow every single step, and it's a pretty easy process. But yeah, you need to use your mobile phone and open up an internet browser and go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. You need to go to Top Dog Codes, guys. This website here, as you can see on my screen, there is tons of different pages, so you can have a browse, look what's available. However, to find the Grubhub one, you can literally go to the search bar and type in Grub, and it's going to pop up Grubhub free credit and food coupons. Open that page up and scroll down. You can see there's over 7,000 coupons, so there's tons of coupons remaining, so there's enough for everyone. And here we go. So you have to choose which coupon you want. There's a $100 Grubhub credit promo code, and there's also a Grubhub promo code for get your next 3 food orders for free. So as you can imagine, they're both pretty desirable. So just choose the code you want, and then we need to unlock the code. Now, these codes are protected. As you can imagine, people try and steal all of these codes just to get tons of free food, so this prevents that. So we need to unlock our personal and unique Grubhub promo code. So tap unlock code. And the next step takes a few minutes, but it's pretty easy. Just follow the instructions. So we're going to see this screen here. Basically, guys, we need to unlock our promo code for Grubhub, and to do that, we just follow the instructions on this page. We need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks. You can see on my screen here, I have a list of various completely free tasks, and there is also a short synopsis telling you what you need to do below each of them. So you need to choose 2 tasks on this page and just follow the instructions to complete those. So I'm going to choose 2. I'll pause the video just so this video is not too long. Then I'll come back and we can see if it gives me my Grubhub promo code. So I'll see you in probably about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so that was a split second with the power of editing, but that did actually take me around 10 minutes. I just went ahead and finished 2 tasks on this page. So I downloaded a couple of these games, and I had to play the first one until I completed level 8, and then I just went ahead and finished off that second one as well. So they're pretty easy. You just have to make sure you follow all of the instructions and take your time. There's no real immediate panic, but yeah. Just take your time, complete 2 of these. And if you fully completed them, when you press your tabs, you should now see this Grubhub coupons page down here. Open that up, and here is my promo code, which I can simply copy and enter it into the Grubhub redeem code section, and it's going to credit me $100 to spend however I want across as many orders as I want. These codes are one-time use, so one of you can actually go ahead and grab this one because I'm not going to use it. Well, actually, you can see it here. So one of you can use this, however, it's going to be invalid, I imagine, pretty quickly. So you need to get your own code, guys, at topdogcodes.com. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. It would be really appreciated. Leave a comment if you need any help, of course, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy your free Grubhub food. Peace out.